renovation in our master bathroom, and we thought that the professionalism of the company is why we wanted to choose to work with them. It's matched the vision about 95% because we didn't know how it was going to unfold. So we're very happy with everything that we collaborated on because we bought some of the parts, and they also contributed like the tub and I think the counterpart, like the counter. So we bought the other accessories and everything worked out well. We felt it was a fair assessment of how much it will cost, so we were okay with the price. All of the members were very friendly, they were very professional, they listened, they asked questions where they didn't understand, and that was part of the collaboration because they didn't know exactly where things would be placed, and they wanted to make sure that we were happy with where they were going to complete their work.